Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you want to know the reason why your PC is crashed on your Windows 10 or 11, so this video is for you. I will show you how you can figure out that what is the cost of the restarting PC and suddenly stop PC on your Windows. And I will show you with the help of two steps. So first we will go with the inbuilt tool, and that is the event viewer. And later on I will show you how you can use the third party tool, open source tool, to open the exact root cause of that. Open the eventware on a system, run it as admin, and once you run it as admin, look for the Windows log here, expand it from side, and now simply go to your system options there. If system is crashing automatically, then there could be the reason that there is some issue with your system. To identify the exact issue on your system, event viewer is the most powerful solution and the best solution for you. Just open system here, and then once you see this, click on this option, filter current log, and now logged, you can select it according to your time preferences. Let's say you want to look for the event viewer logs past 7 days, select time, and from here select the critical one first, and this will show you exactly the critical errors on your Windows. Now I don't have any critical errors my Windows, so what you can do is, if you find any critical errors on your Windows, just click on that option and make a double click on that simply, and look for your this option. You will see here general and details options here. Just open here general options, and you will see here the details here. Similarly, you can filter out one by one all the details here and look for the one by one. Just go to one by one, and this will show you the exact error why your system was crashed at that point of time. Time you can see here, date you can see there as well. So you can easily find out the root cause why your system was crashed on your Windows. Similarly, you can look for the filter one by one and find that out. If somehow you are not able to get the exact log on your Windows with the help of system, and there will be the chances that the system was crashed due to the application error on your system, not at the level of system, then you can open your application here and look for the similar filter option here. You can filter it anytime or 7 days or 24 hours. Then look for the critical one first, and then untick this, then click on errors, and now open the logs here, and you will see here the logs like this. Just you can search it on the Google, then why system was crashed, or if any application was crashed due to that error. But somehow if you are not able to get the more information here, then we have the next fix for you, and that is Blue Dump Viewer on Windows. It is an open source tool and anyone can use it. Open any browser whichever you use and type here Blue Dump Viewer download. Go to any official link, this option Blue Dump, just open their official link and simply download this tool here. This is redirecting me to another location here. Download Blue Dump here. And if somehow if it is not, you are not getting the exact result, then we can download it from here. other sources as well. And once you download it, just launch it. You will see here like this. Make a double click on that. Now once you see these kind of windows, just click on skip all, and this will just download the this option here. So you can run it here. Next. And it will show you the notification right here. Blue dump files with the date and all the logs. And thereafter you should able to get the proper details on your Windows. And you can take the action accordingly. So this is how you can look for the crash log on your Windows or why your system was crashed. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.